How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to guide you on how you can buy Kindle books from Amazon, which is a very simple and straightforward process. Whether you're using a computer, smartphone or tablet, you can follow the steps to purchase and enjoy your favorite Kindle books. So first thing first, if you don't have the Kindle app downloaded on your device, if you are on a phone, you can go ahead and download it. And after the download is complete, you can go ahead and sign up on your device, on your account. So if you already signed in, you can search for Kindle books. So first of all, head over to the search bar on the search Amazon. So when you head over to this page, you can look up for the option, or you can look up for the title or the author of the book you want to buy. And as you type in, suggestions will appear right here. So press enter or go to see the full search results. And after the search results appear, look for the filters option. Let me just go ahead and type in Kindle for now. And you can look up for the options like select the Kindle books available from the filters to narrow down the results to eBooks for Kindle. For example, these right here. So on the product page, look for the Kindle edition. Kindle Unlimited edition is right here. Then tap on the buy now with one click button on your screen. And if it's your first time purchasing, or if you have a multiple payment options, the app will prompt you to select a payment method and confirm your payment method and tap buy to complete the purchase. And after the purchase is complete, Amazon will send you the Kindle book to your account. And to read the book, you can open up the Kindle app on your device. It may be pre-installed or available to download from your app store. This book will appear on your library within the Kindle app, ready for you to start reading. And that is it. It is very straightforward process. Just follow up the process that I just told you, and you should be able to read for free. Read the Kindle book through Amazon. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.